A very lovely morning, children. Welcome in S.St class. Children, chapter number 5, the Southern Plateau, reading and exercises part, that is completed. So today we are going to start question answers. Question answers of chapter number 5, the Southern Plateau, from page number 49. And the question number 1 is, what is a plateau? This chapter is based on plateau. So you have to write the definition of plateau. So what are plateaus? The first question is, what is a plateau or what are plateaus? In the same way you will write the answer. Okay. What are plateaus? Plateaus are the landforms that are flat and higher than the surrounding areas. So it is very much clear that plateaus are the landforms that are flat and higher than the surrounding areas, and these plateaus are also called tablelands. Okay, so clear. Now number question is, what is a peninsula? You know now what is a peninsula? You can see it's a pic, it's a map, and you know that the land surrounded by water on three sides. Here Bay of Bengal, here Arabian Sea, and here Indian Ocean. So what you will write? The land surrounded by water on three sides is called a peninsula. Okay, children? So it's clear. So what you will write? Answer number 2. The land surrounded by water on three sides is called a peninsula. So this is the answer of number 2. Question number 2. The land surrounded by water on three sides, okay, is called a peninsula. So next question is, name the rivers in the Deccan Plateau and where do they drain? You have to write the name of the rivers. Okay, children? At first you will write answer number 3. And you know Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri flow from west to east. So I am showing you. So this is the map. You just see, and you will see that Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri flow from west to east. This is the west side and west to east in Bay of Bengal. And you know Narmada and Tapi are the only rivers of Deccan Plateau which flow from east to west, okay, and fall into the Arabian Sea. So it's clear. So what you will write in the answer? You will write Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri flow from west to east. So it's clear. And fall into the Bay of Bengal. And fall into the Bay of Bengal. So it's clear. Now Narmada and Tapi. Narmada and Tapi are the only rivers are the only rivers of Deccan Plateau flow from east to west. These are rivers that flow from west to east. Okay, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri flow from west to east. But Narmada and Tapi are the only rivers of Deccan Plateau flow from east to west and fall into the Arabian Sea. So it's clear? So you just keep in mind that Narmada and Tapi are the only rivers of Deccan Plateau flow from east to west and fall into the Arabian Sea. Okay? Now, we just start question number 4. Right, children? Answer number 4. Why are steel plants located in the Chota Nagpur region? So you have to write the reason for that. Okay? So answer number 4. You just write Chota Nagpur region is rich in minerals like coal, iron, manganese, which are needed for steel plants. Hence, and from the question you will write hence we find steel plants in this region. So this is the only reason that minerals like coal, iron, manganese, which are needed for steel plants, okay, that Chota Nagpur region is rich in minerals. Okay, right? So you have to write the answer in this way. Okay. Now question number 5. When was the state of Telangana formed? Oh, very simple. You know that. And year 2014. And name the rivers that flow through the state. And the rivers are Godavari and Krishna. That's all. So you have to write answer number 5. What you will write? Telangana was formed in the year 2014. Okay, and Godavari and Krishna rivers flow through this state. Okay, children. So you have to write all the questions, means question number 1 to 5 in the notebook. okay, in very good handwriting. Okay, children, and you have to read the chapter thoroughly because internal question answers can come in exam. Okay, so you should be ready and you have to read chapter thoroughly. Okay, children, have a wonderful time.